Alright guys, welcome back, Now somebody's gonna go in the comments, Marco reviews, please stop spoon feeding everybody. This is too low tech, this is too slow. Don't give all this information away so slowly. Speed up the video. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go nice and slow so that everybody can follow, not just a few super brainiacs. I love spoon feeding. I'll spoon feed the doggies too. Anyway. Let's just go nice and slow and get this done. So we've got these bits here that look like they go in here. And I will tell you exactly which way they go in the next video, because we don't want to do this wrong. But I think it's this way. So
Likey.